Operation demonstration of folding quadcopter. Pre-takeoff operation demonstration. Install the battery. Installation of aircraft battery. Battery installation of remote controller. Start the aircraft. Deploy the aircraft. First, turn on the aircraft switch. When the aircraft lights flash slowly, turn on the remote control switch. After turning on, the aircraft lights flash, until the lights are always on, the aircraft automatically matches the frequency successfully. Then press a key on the remote control to correct, and the aircraft light changes from normally on to flash and then to normally on. At this point, all pre-takeoff operations are completed. Touch the push-up valve, start the blades, then release the throttle, push the valve up again and take off. Basic operation demonstration. Installation of guard frame. Turn over the aircraft, align the protective frame with the two buckles on the arm and buckle outward to tighten. Install other guards in turn. Replace blades. Use the configured screwdriver to take out the blades to be replaced and remove two blades. Pay attention to distinguish on-B blades when installing new blades. Match on-B blades to corresponding machine arms and lock them with screws. Charging demonstration. Use USB cable to connect to USB port for charging. USB charging end is connected to aircraft battery plug and the other end is connected to USB port for charging battery.